saw me! He saw me! Oh no, he saw me! Oh crap! Duck! Don't do this like at home, kids. Don't try to run through that with no gun in your pocket. And oh no, he's out! 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 Game over. Oh, this wasn't the game is not over. I took the painkiller. Run until you drop. Run until you stop. Run until you stop. Run until you drop. Oh. It's right over there. Lost the thing. Phew. Actually, yes, it did shoot. Oh, great. It's gonna be a long time till I find that one again. Well, I must retreat. Retreat into the woods. Retreat into the woods.